Yeah, okay, mate. Where was that? Your post? Yeah, okay. So you're getting FOMO. Yeah, I know all about it. I get it myself sometimes. I got it on Aster when it pumped, and then it rolled over 30%, and didn't buy on the lows, which was silly. But yeah, the daily KuCoin making a nice base. Let me go to KuCoin then. Is this the oldest chart? It didn't seem like too much more data. I didn't look at the data, but anyway, I want to go to the weekly because obviously we were having a red. Sorry, that's really not true at all. We're not having a red week. So is OKX the largest chart? I forget which is the largest chart now. You can see the big drop here on OKX, and then it's consolidating. This is a bearish daily stop hunt here on KITE right here. It's a failure to break above the old highs, and now we're getting moved down. It kind of suggests to me that there's no need to buy this yet, in case it goes below the stop hunt candle, kind of meaning, you know, maybe it'll go below the lows of this tomorrow or into a new week. Maybe it wants to come down and retest these lows down here, right? Well, I'm not sure yet, but this is a flat base. I know you said nice base, but there is a stop hunt here, kind of maybe implying that there might be continuation to the downside here. You know, bearish stop hunt, bearish engulfing candle, and then you get the continuation breakdown, right? So that's what we need to be worried about. Is there an older chart of this? Part of me thinks there was, but I just can't seem to find it. It's interesting that KITE on KuCoin has got this up move. So I don't know what to believe, but nothing changes. It doesn't matter. We'll go with this one. We'll go with your KuCoin one. There's a bearish stop hunt here, right? There's no change here at all. So we got to be careful that this base might want to break down. To be fair, a lot of times we do see this. It's hard to fit that in. That you get a base here, and then the base ends up breaking down. Maybe before coming back and being bullish again. It kind of stop hunts all of the base, right? There's a lot of liquidity built up, and well, there's a lot of liquidity all in through here that may need to be wiped out before the real move. You don't always have to do that, but a lot of times it does like to wipe everybody before the real move. Okay, so I think, as you said, it's going to be an interesting week next week, as you said, because you know that's probably the candle to be trading. It's probably not today's candle because there's a bearish stop hunt, and yeah. So if it's going to be bullish, it may want to take some liquidity down below first. This is not letting me draw on it because it's just the way TradingView does it. It doesn't let me draw them to a smaller size. But yeah, so look for a bit of more downside, I would suggest, and then we'll start looking for a bit of a bottom somewhere below the daily candle today, most likely, and then obviously try and trade a new weekly candle to see if this can have a bullish candle back up. Anyway, mate, yeah, I hope you're well. I hope you're having a good weekend.